Hi friends, I'm Derek. You're watching TechMedia Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the degree symbol on your LibreOffice calc spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the degree symbol like 45 degree, 20 degree in the LibreOffice calc spreadsheet, just going to show in this video. So here I'm just going to type as 25 and 35 degree. So I just need to insert this degree symbol. For that, first of all, you just click on the insert option on the top. Then you just need to go down to the special character, click on this. Otherwise, go to the special symbol option here, click on this top menu, just click on the more character. After clicking on this here, you can just choose anything and just need to click on this basic option, character block as basic. So you can find the degree symbol here. You can just insert the degree symbol like that. Otherwise, you have another option. It's easier option. So you can just click on the mouse symbol option to find the degree symbol. Then you just need to type search as degree here. Just search as degree, just type as degree here. You can find the symbol. So these are the ways that you can just insert degree symbol on your LibreOffice calc spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMedia Unique. Have a wonderful day.